Hello and welcome to Be Mindset. I am so excited about this program. Thank you for saying yes to you and investing in yourself and your health and fitness. And thank you from all of us coaches for letting us come along on your journey with you. It's going to be amazing. It really is. I have already seen some fabulous transformations from people who have been implementing this program for the last month or so since it's been launched, and it's blown my mind really. So I am so optimistic about what's going to happen for all of us on this journey. Okay, I'm kind of nerdy. I get nervous with these videos, so I have some notes behind me, so you might notice I'm going to look up every once in a while because I have a lot to cover. So, okay, just a quick reminder, this group is your support system. It's your safety net, so use it. We coaches are going to have a motivational post, something of inspiration or encouragement. We're going to post something daily, 6 days out of the week. It usually goes up about 6 o'clock. So pop in the morning, while you're getting ready for work or before your day starts. Check out, get a dose of encouragement from us. And then check back in the evening. Let us know how your day went. Some days we're going to ask you to do some kind of a bonus challenge, or show us a selfie or tell us about a salad you made. So check back in the evening. Tell us how your day went and engage with the group. Find out how everybody else's day went. You're really going to get out of this what you put into it. And stuff is really cool when we build a community in these groups. And we start to get to know each other outside of just health and fitness. So be there to support people, check out how people are doing, engage in the group as you can. Okay, and remember, this group is meant to be self-guided. So that means go at your own speed. If you've got a crazy week and you miss out on a couple of days' posts, don't get frustrated. Don't get discouraged. Don't throw in the towel. It's okay. Take a deep breath, hop back in when life gets a little less crazy. I mean, don't let too many days go by, but really, don't beat yourself up. And in the reverse, if you start watching these videos and you are so super pumped about what you're learning and you want to watch 10 videos in a row and jump ahead, you go, girl. Do it. It really is self-guided. So you go at your own pace. Don't fall off too long, but don't beat yourself up if life gets busy and you miss a couple of days. Okay, a few tools to talk about. One, your tracker. Now, where did I put my tracker? Okay, it was here. Oh wait, no. I don't know where my tracker went. But that thing is amazing. It's going to double as your journal. Go to page 5 and fill in your measurements. Do not skip this part, please. This is your starting point, and it's a way to track your progress. So same with your before pictures. Bite the bullet, get uncomfortable, throw on some spandex and a sports bra or a swimsuit if that's what you want, and take the pictures. Front, side, back if you want. You don't want to miss the opportunity to document your physical transformation. So it feels weird. We've all done it. We all feel weird. Just do it. And they're for your eyes only, really. However, they're for your eyes only. But there is an opportunity, speaking of transformations, to Team Beachbody gives anyone that completes one of their programs the opportunity to win or earn free swag. Usually it's a t-shirt. I have collected a few of them myself. It's super fun to get a free gift in the mail. What you have to do is, at the end of your journey, you submit to beachbodychallenge.com. You can go there, find out more information about the program, and start and enter this whole thing. You share your before and after pictures, and then you answer a few questions about the program. And then you're entered to, you automatically get a t-shirt or whatever they're giving out. But then you can also be entered, you also have the opportunity to win cash prizes. So it's kind of a fun incentive to take those pictures and measurements and then track it. And afterwards, even if you don't feel like your transformation is huge, I mean, I've gotten a t-shirt after I have gained a couple pounds and I didn't really think there was major transformation, but I still did a program. I completed it from start to finish. I shared with them my journey and I got a t-shirt. And FYI, it also looks good for your coach. When they see, like company-wise, when they see some of our challengers sharing their results and entering into this contest. So beachbodychallenge.com. Just go check it out, see what it's about. All right, 2, download the To Be Mindset Nutrition app. It is called Beachbody Nutrition Plus Sign, if you haven't already. This is going to be an amazing tool for you too, and I can't wait to start using it. There are To Be Mindset recipes right there at your fingertips. There are the To Be Mindset videos, so they can go with you. You don't have to be at your computer necessarily. Listen to them while you're in the car. Listen to them while you're walking the dog. They're right there on your phone. There also is the Beachbody cooking program, Fixate, which opens, there are so many recipes on that program alone. So that's on this app too. And it's your daily tracker. So, you know, your water intake, your meals, all that kind of stuff. You just plug the information in and it's a great way for you to see that you're following through and what you're doing every day. All right, thirdly, buy a scale. I know it's weird. It's different than what we have been preaching to you, maybe what other people have been preaching to you, but this To Be Mindset program uses it, and it is a tool of measurement. To Be Mindset follows the mindset of you either lose or you learn. So, meaning you track for a few days, you get on that scale, you lose a pound or whatever you're losing. You're losing for a few days, and then you get on that scale the 4th day and you go, oh, I'm up a half a pound or a pound. And as long as you're journaling and tracking every day, you can immediately find out why you gained. You go back, you review yesterday's intakes, you know, sleep, all that stuff, and you can immediately see why you gained. And then adjust today's intake and today's day appropriately so that you get back on the losing. So the scale is your friend. And really, like a blood pressure cuff, it really is a way to measure and stay on top of your health. So go buy a scale, have it where you can see it, and every morning take your weight. All right, now I'm going to screen share so that you can so I can show you technically how, if I can figure out how to get back here. Oh, are you kidding me? I want to screen share my